Welcome to the 2-Minute Tech Tip. This week's question is, should I do any cleanup to my course before next semester? Well, we're going to start with a continuous improvement model. So take a look at your course, look at your student evaluations, look at the format, the organization of your course, what worked, what didn't work. Were there assignments where students seemed confused and you got a lot of questions and maybe you need to look at the instructions? Was there something that worked really well and perhaps you want to put some of those components into something else? But take a look at how it's laid out, what's the navigation, were all the links working, all those kinds of things as far as how is it organized, and then what worked and what didn't work, and see if there's one thing that you want to improve on. Tracy, you had some other ideas.
Thanks, Kelly. Kind of putting some nuts and bolts to what you just mentioned, some of the things that I think are really important at the end of each semester are to make sure that we don't accidentally become digital hoarders and drag stuff from all of our courses forward. So with that, a few quick things that you can do. One is check where all your Zoom recordings are. So first, check them to see if you even want to reuse them at all. Make sure whether or not you reference certain terms. But secondly, if you've uploaded them to a YouTube playlist, or if you've uploaded them somewhere else in the cloud, you can make sure to get rid of them off your personal device. That's going to help your device, getting rid of them off your hard drive function faster. A lot of times we don't even realize we're slowing ourselves down by all the stuff we're dragging with us. Along with that, you could also, look at some other areas and kind of create ahead by looking back. So look through the student evaluations, because there you might see some feasible suggestions to make your life easier next semester. You can also look at your feedback, both that you gave and students gave in the assignments, and collect that feedback and those responses. So next semester, you've got that covered. You can just cut and paste. And finally, take that even a step further, depending on the types of questions, and compile a course frequently asked questions. So look back, see what those were, make it into a Canvas page, so then the next time you run the course, it's going to run lean, mean, and you'll be able to focus on student learning. And then Dan, I think you also had some great points on, again, how to get it done.
That's right. Once your cleanup is done, you're ready to do the copy itself. And you might know Canvas offers multiple ways to get stuff from one course to another. Now your spring course already exists in Canvas. So the most efficient method is this. Go into your spring course, right on the home page, and on the right side, click the button Import Existing Content. That'll let you select Copy a Canvas course. You search for the fall course, and there's a few other options there that are pretty straightforward, and click Import. Let that run, and then you'll be able to watch that content come in and finalize your cleanup from there. Just be sure to double check everything before you publish, as always. Thanks for joining us for this week's 2-Minute Tech Tip, and
a great holiday season
in the future.